To do. I was looking at the Tesla off the bottom, sending it. Tesla has been holding 174 like really well. Every time it gets close to this level, it's been bouncing. Look at that. This is like multiple days now. I bet you it's gonna keep doing this. Up, down, up, down. Look at that. Like 174, 173 ish, high 173. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, no, the entire market bounced. There you go. Oh, hello, Lynn. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. I should have kept it, Joe. You know what? I'm pissed. I got into a long right before the squeeze, Musty. Okay, I got into a long S&P long. Like right, I don't know why I sold it because like I had it like I had a target, and also I was waiting for way too damn long. Like I bought it right there, and like somewhere around here, and we just kept going up down. I was waiting for 15 minutes. It like it's clearly trend, and I knew it was coming. But then like it just kept doing this, and at some point I'm like, you know what? I have other stuff to do. I'm just gonna sell it. As soon as I sell it, come back. Oh my days! That thing said, "Thank you for coming. Goodbye." I was pissed. Waited all for waited 15 minutes for that damn spy pop. And Bitcoin also looks really good. Bitcoin is at 71, almost 70, 7800s. And then Holo, guys. Holo is the stock of the afternoon for now, isn't it? Stock of the afternoon. No, 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 no. That's no. Can you please? Wait, these are two people. These are different people. Oh, anyways, yeah. Holo looks good. Holo looks very good. I'm just setting up an app end of the day watch list here. What else do I like? And then power. Uh, la, 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 la. There we go. Everyone is just coming into the chat saying hello. Hello. Hello just means holo, doesn't it? Anyways, holo has a double top on 193. So Musty, it's gonna need to break above that. Okay, let's see. Into the close. Into the close. D hack. There you go. It's only been a couple of months. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, that's a nice little dip there for Tesla. Yeah, the entire market. Dip skis. Watch it lose all the gains into the close. Maybe come back for a retest. Feeling blessed. So glad came back to get me out of a potential bag. Yeah, Justin. No, that's good. Good, 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 good. Uh, these levels coming from the bottom. It did explode badly. Yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah. Maybe Holo just kind of relaxes and then pushes after hours. Maybe. MLGO just the music is loud. Anyways, MLGO is actually done okay. You know, the only problem that it's having is that $11 range. For some reason, it just can't seem to break above it. So we shall see. Bitcoin is dragging some of these BTC names up, which is good. SOBR just sitting at 50 cents. Right, it's still nice and green for the day, but it's just sitting at 50 cents now. So Holo kind of seems like the main watch into the close. So hopefully that thing can give us a nice push. A nice push. I'm just looking here to see if there's anything else that we're missing into the close. I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay, there you go. You got in at 840 Catalyst. Nice. Well done. 840. That was a good dip it had, right? If you bought this double bottom dip, that was a good double bottom dip. That looks like anyways. Yeah, so that was a good double bottom dip there. 840. All the way to $8, 780, right? And then boom skis. Just make sure you don't hold that thing if it's dropping. Also, holding overnight is a little bit dangerous in this one, so be careful. What happened to PJ? I have no idea. Money Penny. Heyo, Nova. Heyo, heyo. How are you? 51. Hope it goes back up. I hope so. You're really close. It's not that far off, but yeah, you're close. Very, very close. BURU. Um, I mean, it like it's popping here. I'm not sure why it's breaking out like that, but it really popped. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's popping like that. Yeah, it's catching it. It really is catching a push. La la la. BURU. I don't see any news. But thinking that cap bounce, la 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 la. Not going. 20 pennies. That looks cool for Tesla. Yeah, Tesla had a good bounce off the bottom. Obviously, bottom easy to scalp. Yeah. Is it weird how many times Holo has popped on the daily? Um, not necessarily. Not necessarily. I think it's a stock that has done some pretty impressive things. People take note of that. It's just like AMC or like GME or like HKD, right? People really take note of these stocks when they do crazy things. Like if you go from $2 to $100, and you go from that stock has done that multiple times, not to $100, but it's ran to like 15, $20 a few times. People keep track of that, especially off the $1 range. What does the number mean? Okay, see. What does the number next to the bid and ask? Huh. Uh, okay. It ran to 115. No, no, it's never look at the 24 month. No, it's never been to 115. No, that's okay, Kyle. It's never been to 115. Yeah, I know what you're referring to. Like if I look at Holo's gonna see we've been to $113. Holo's never been to $113. Right, that number is right. That number right there shows up on the chart. It actually does, but it's not been there. The highest it's been, it's like, yeah, close to 90, 99 or 97 or something like that. The higher number is because the stock has done a split. So every time a stock does a split like this, like Holo did a few months back, what happens is now you have to multiply the price of the stock, even including the all-time high. So everything that the stock has ever done gets multiplied by the split ratio. So even if, yeah, so that's the split, right? So it doesn't it. I mean, I guess you can kind of count it, but it really doesn't count. But I don't know. However you want to look at it, though. Either way, I don't know. It doesn't. It's it would be nice if it got there, but we're looking at a stock that's below $2. Talking about, it would be nice though. Musty would love that. Uh, One second. Let me listen to this voice note. Voice note. Uh, Update, please. Wait, what? Oh. Um, be aware of offerings on Holo. SOBR is almost back to 51. War, see, almost back. It bounced Black Frosty. It bounced to 97, so it went from $1.50 all the way to 97 dollars. $97, somewhere around that range. Holo. Yeah, something like that. Then it's like slightly below $100. I guess I can look at the chart, but it really doesn't matter anyways. But it's in the 90s. This morning due to pre split high ridge. Well done. Yeah, it actually it tapped it, right. So tap tap tap, and then to the abyss. Uh, uh, Unusual volume, 31% fresh. Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Yi. Is it too late to join Holo at 3 p.m., Laura? I told you to join us in Discord, right? I told you these guys have been spamming Holo in Discord all since we left the stream. It's been Holo this, Holo that, Holo Holo, Musty Holo this, Holo that. So come join us in Discord. Unless again, so I know. Oh yeah, you signed up for that thing and then it was the wrong level, Laura. So that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. One second. Laura, yeah. So I sent you a link to like you can cancel and they should give you a refund on that link. I think. Uh, and use multiple brow. Can Holo reach $100? It's been there before, but I'm gonna say the answer is no. I will say the answer is no. 99. uh, yeah. What do you think of BURU, John? Yeah, I saw that thing pumping. It still looks really good, actually. I'm not sure why it's pumping like this, but it looks good. Are you in it, John? Are you into it? Are you in it? $10 to $25 realistically? Well, I mean, first things first. Let's push above $2, guys. Let's break $2, okay, and then we talk about three, and then $4, and then maybe five. Cool, cool. Uh, every 67 months for the past year and a half. What do you think it can bounce to this time? I'm not sure. I would love to give you a price target. You're in at 17. Oh, nice. Okay, easy to manage then, John. What's your stop loss at? And then $300 exactly. So, oh, wow. How the hell did I miss that? Damn it! I just looked a few minutes ago. I would have caught that. Lemon musty. Did you see that drop on the S&P? See that drop? That view up would have been really nice. That view up would have been really nice. Oof, that's a drop. There you go. Stop loss for Holo. What's your position, Pan? What did you get in at? Dang it, missed out long. That's a nasty drop. My goodness. Right to the 200 on the 5 minute. That would have been a good catch. Where's Criminal Joe? Opinion on this morning's small position at 55 cents. HP, what's your stop loss what's your stop loss on SOBR? Let me know. You guys have high expectations for Holo. I would be careful, guys. Ready? Put your stop loss, and if it goes to $300, I'm just throwing out a random number. If it goes, it goes. Alrighty, because that's how people end up getting in trouble by blindly having expectations on a stock. Because stocks are there to stocks will disappoint you. I've been disappointed so many times. Every time I'm in a stock, I mean, honestly, 90% of the time I'm disappointed when I get into something. 90% of the time. Well, maybe that number is way too high because now I think we're okay with your stop loss is at 40 cents. Come on, HP. You bought that thing at 55 cents, and you put your stop loss all the way at 40 cents. That's like recipe for losing money. That's way too big. Unless it's a really small position and 40 cents is an okay loss. So maybe that's the difference. Like if the loss is not very big, then that's fine. The loss is not too big, that's fine. Anyways, Chris, I think Chris, are you? Let me get you a link. BURU, is it still pumping? Still looks good though. Chris, I will send you an invite link. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Very small position, good. So smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty, join up, invest in yourself, or right. So $15 will do, Rich. I would like that very much as well. Again, Holo looks good, right? Obviously, there's resistance at 193, so we need to clear that, and then $2. So, anyways, Chris, welcome to the community. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat. Just click the yellow link at the bottom, and then follow the steps. Follow the steps, up all the way. La, 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 la. Okay. Sheesh. LQR. It's been a while since we talked about that one, hasn't it? It's been a while since we looked at that one. There's always chaos at the end of the day on the S&P. Always chaos. We should guess an after-hour runner. I hope it's Holo. Getting ready for the main course. Unusual volume. Yeah, I saw you post that. You. Thank you very much. MLGO also looks good still. Holding $10. Holding $10. Okay, let's see. Fresh. Fresh. Unusual volume. Earnings in 12 days. Yeah, I think it's getting unusual volume right off the bottom too, which is nice. The only thing it needs to do is break above like 47. It's a bit of a downtrend. 47 pennies. It does look good though. And then 50, like 50 cents ish. Yeah, exactly 50 cents actually. Okay. I'm going to leave that one on watch. Help me understand. Bought with a strike of $20, but they cost for share $560 per call. In order for him to make money, the per has to be 26. No. How do I explain this? So again, MLGO looks really good, really really good still. Oh my goodness, woof! What a scalper all day today. So he paid. So again, he paid $5.60 for those $20 calls, right? So I'm not sure exactly when they expire. I wish. Do you know when they expire? I can show you what they're at now, right? I can kind of show you maybe with an example. So he bought those calls on Friday. So clearly, when those calls were 560 on Friday, obviously when we opened yesterday and the stock was up 70%, I bet you those calls were really expensive, right? Those calls were way end of June. Yeah, those calls were way expensive. Hi Ren. So let me take a look. So GME. I need the GME option chain. So end of June is the ones he was holding. Even though GME is red today, I bet you those things are still going to be so end of June. So June 28th then. $20 calls is what he's holding. Okay, cool. Let's take a look then. Hmm. Those things seem. I don't know if it's if I don't know this one. This doesn't seem June 21st. Thank you. Yeah, this just didn't look like it. That just looks sus. So $20. Yeah, that's more like it. For that dude to put that much money in there, it had to look like this. Look at that. Look at the open interest on this thing. Whew! Look at that. Right. So so let's say he paid $5. Right. Obviously, those things are worth $8.50 now. He's still up a lot, especially since he bought a whole bunch. Right. A whole bunch. So yep. As the price goes up, so does the value of the contract, right? DTB. So again, the contract is worth $5.20 for a $20 strike on Friday. As the price of the stock goes up, so does the value of the contract. That's basically it. Um, Holo still moving, Trey? Yes. Yes, you've been scuffing this thing all day, CM, haven't you? MLGO. It's been a nice scalper though. Like, oh, dang it, Spy. Come on, you're leaving me behind. This is Musty's fault. I almost put an order there too to just wait, but then I came on stream and I stopped paying attention. Damn it. 200 shares at 156 cost. Cover Florida. High five. Well done. Span, there's no price target for Holo. Anyways, Holo does look really good. 1 million for Holo. 1 million. Let's go Holo. Yeah. So retesting the actual high of the day is 194. So if we can break above that, that'd be cool. But clearly good signs. Yeah. Overcooking. How do I have a? That's okay. Uh. uh. Oh, you guys are wild. Um, you take $90. $90. Uh-huh. 937. Well done. Look at that. Yeah, that's a really good base, isn't it? So it's beautiful demand zone for you above the 200 cm. I like it. Boom skis is right. Boom is right. I like it. I like it. Yeah, this stock has been amazing all day. Uh, he tries to dump. The price will dump on it. I think it's a huge. La, 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 la. Yeah, DTB. Absolutely, absolutely. There will be a reaction from the stock. That's if he hasn't sold it already, right? Um, that's if he hasn't sold already. So I hold overnight, and you got $10. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Send it, Catalyst. Send it. Send it. $11. Let's close strong. SOBR is also. You notice how like SOBR and MLGO they've been together all day today. It's like the market makers, saw us playing with these two stocks this morning, and they're like, "Ooh, okay, what's Hot Trade's playing with?" MLGO and SOBR, and these two stocks all day today they've been coming kind of moving together. Not with the same violence, Like obviously MLGO is like the better stock, and it has look at that thing 1150 guys, oh my goodness, boom skis. Da, 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 da. Glitch, what have you done? Hmm. La, 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 la. $2 test, la 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 la. Beauty of a chart. Absolutely. Okay, there we go. Perfect. What's spamming in the chat? Let's go, Ken. Did you get back in this? Ken, did you get in? Let me know. Tell me, where did you buy this thing at? Cause I want to celebrate. When Ken and I were doing when Ken and I were doing our one-on-one, I don't remember where this thing was at. 1075. You got it. Let's go, Ken. 1075. You got the pivot breakout. You got the pivot breakout. Hopefully, that thing went almost up $1. Hopefully, hopefully you didn't lose all the gains all the way back down, right? Again, this thing is really good for scalping. Like it goes up and down really quickly. So, yeah. Pyro. I don't know if I believe you, but anyways, I'm coming. Two dipskis, yeah, it's that resistance 193. So I know you guys are looking for like you guys are looking for $300. Uh, I know it almost messed you up. I know, Ken. I knew it as soon as I asked and you answered. I was like, did he just hesitate? I knew it. But yeah, use those stop losses. Trailing stop losses might actually be really good on a stock like this one because it's way crazy. How do I get the Discord membership? If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. And select the level that says Legend Community, Discord Community, or Goats. Don't get the sold out level, please. That doesn't work. It gives you access to YouTube stuff like educational videos. Doesn't give you access to Discord. So my luck, Ken. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, that was a good pop though, Ken. That was a really good pop. Again, from 1070 when you got in to 1150, you should be managing that position. Like there should be a stop loss, whether that's like 1099, 1011 something. There should be a stop loss though, and ignore me if you have to. Right. More important that you manage that position on the breakout. But again, kind of see what we talked about earlier, right? Um, the break, the close, the boom ski. At least it was green. At least it's green because it would be red now. Los, what's your position in NVAX? Thank you, Bob. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash it again. I know it's the second time. Anyways, Chris, not Chris, L Martinez, welcome to the community, by the way. I don't think I sent you a link to join us in Discord. I don't think I did. Let me know if you have a link though. Uh, let me know if you have a link. Okay, I don't get that. One second. I think Roger is in. Don't get it. On Tuesday. There you go. Scamdol? Yeah. Little scamdol and it's going back up. It is Steve. Yeah, Steve took a position in JDZG. That's the scam China stock that had a crash. Maybe it's gonna run like CTNT or like one of the other names, right? But it's nice to see you guys making money. So let's go DTB. Yeah, pop. Oh yeah, 49 pennies. 49 pennies. Well done, Yi. Well done. Highs of the day. The unusual volume is really important. Martinez, this is your invite. So click this link at the bottom of the chat and then just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Some money for us, peasants? I know, right, Pyro? I like it. Sometimes when you have these ideas, Steve, you have access to trade ideas, post it in there because you're a guardian, you know? Lime green, a superhero. Sometimes when you have them, post them in trade ideas so it doesn't get lost. So it doesn't get lost. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's kind of where. Let me see. ZG. ZG. Not a bad bounce, actually. Yeah, you got it in the 140s, Steve. So that's a nice little double bottom bounce. So maybe I'll run into the close here. Maybe I'll run in after hours, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, 144 is nice. Double bottom. 140s. No, 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 no. On Jasmine, you did Nova? Oh yeah. CLSK and HUD's calls. Okay, nice. Yeah, these guys were talking about Bitcoin and all the other calls last night in Discord. We're back to 192, guys. So 2 pennies from where we came from on Holo. So clearly, people seem to want to be buying the dip skis on Holo, which is nice. Good dip ice. I'm not going. Oh, it's a Merida stock. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, yeah. Yi and Virus and Virgo. Yeah, you guys were talking about which was nice. It was nice. CCM test. CCM test. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So Holo's looking like the play into the after hours, isn't it? MLGO doesn't look like it's given up yet. That thing is up 600% and it's still fighting, which is impressive. Very impressive. So as long as it continues to give us like bounces above the 200 EMA though, right? So that especially with the market closing in 30 minutes, right? So Holo official seems to be a standout for now. But again, yeah. So for MLGO, as long as that thing continues to bounce off this 200 EMA, I don't mind. Right? We've done that once right there at 937. We did that again not too long ago at 970. So it needs to keep holding the 200. You made $730 in not coin. That's nice. How about Mel? How about VSTE? What's your position? Let me know. We're 1 penny away from from where the scam candle had happened on Holo. So we're back. We're back, Holo. Like we never left Holo. Like we never left Holo. Yeah, Holo's had a really good day today. 30% almost. Nice. Short interest is 69. MLGO. Catalyst. I bet you that's going to change though after today's run. Right? And also that data is going to be delayed anyways. Do I like what Sint is doing? Let me look. BURU is done really well. Since wait, oh, since is the I was like, wait. Yeah, since did the stupid split, right? Yeah, kind of don't mind. 660, yeah, don't mind actually, Musty. If these guys drop a catalyst, oof, pump it. Right, if they drop a catalyst, this is the perfect time for them to do it. But yeah, so 660. Yeah, musty. As long as that thing stays above like one like 777, whatever the bottom is, right? 770, 660, 670. As long as it stays above that. Not sure why. Going to the gym, useless. Go fix your green screen. Why? This matches my shirt actually. Oh, okay. 669 Dennis. That's a good entry. Yeah, it's good. It's hard to see then. Yeah. It really has been. It really has been. Today's been fire. If you've had a good day today, congratulations. Yeah. Any idea why it dumped so hard? DTB. It's China scams. Oh, you guys are FOMOing into this already. Musty, you see what you've done now? See what you've done? See what you've caused? Two fat green candles. Not that they've done anything special, but yeah. Spy's confused. Like there's always that crazy candle at the end of the day, which is what I'm waiting for, so I can, you know. But I'm waiting for that crazy bot scandal. But anyways, uh, yeah, that's okay, Musty. Yeah, yep, 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 yep. I hope Synth plays out as well. Yeah, as long as it stays above $7 ish, 670, 660, I think you should be fine. Um, going to watch it for after hours. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Ye Fresh looks good. Slow and steady. The spread is a little bit scammy, but yeah, not too bad. And JD, as long as JD stays above 138, you're fine. As long as it stays above 138, well, below 138, JD might be deported back to China. Someone wants to use the phone booths is streaming from. No, no. Did a public offering. Oh, they actually did something this time. Oh, that's good. Oh, there goes 51 pennies. Oh, fresh. Oh, let's go, Yi. If you haven't seen that, Yi posted in Discord, right? So yeah, nice. And trade ideas. Let's go. It's squeezing Yi. Squeezing. La 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 la. Let's go. Yeah, broke about 50 cents. Monies today feel like feels like a Friday. Ayo Josh. Ayo ayo ayo. Let's go, virus. And Holo is just chilling at the top. Clearly, it's resistance, right? Like we've been failing at this level for the last 2 hours now. Does he know something we don't? Remember when like Mark Zuckerberg was like getting the bunker underneath like the Mexico? Anyways, wherever he was getting it at. Uh, yeah, yeah. It was a sign. Anyways, we need something to send it though. Behind, I'm not. Don't worry. Tomorrow we will. It's because if I do the light, okay. Let's say I do the light, okay. Actually, well, it's better now. Yeah, it's better now. There you go. Are you happy now? Are you guys happy? No, no, no. Like, no, no, not today though. Um, not today. The other day. Wrong time frame. Okay. Are you happy? Oh, you did, Steve? Okay, fine. Ooh, look at that, guys. 54 pennies. He is cooking. Cook it, ye. Cook it. Cook it. Cook it. You guys happy now? Very nice, ye. Someone tag me. Every better reason to go to the gym early. Uh, nice. We were on created for TradingView. La 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 la. Spy. Okay. I'm just looking. So the way personal, so I did not. No, no. We about my daily. Let's go. I like it. You guys did really well today. I'm just looking at these messages in Discord. Meg said a lot of people should have been green today as long as you had your stop loss and sold on the way up. Personally, myself, I did not too shabby, way above my daily goal. Great job, team. Well done, Meg. High five. Well done. I like it. I like it. So you guys are crushing it today for sure. MLGO is causing some violence on these candles. You notice how like it's bouncing off the. Yeah, Holo looks good. You notice how like MLGO keeps bouncing though off that 200 EMA. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you see what I'm referring to. You see all these wicks at the bottom of the 200, right there. Another one. Another one. Right, so these are some solid bounces for MLGO. Good scalpies. Eventually, it's going to break below if it keeps doing that, and then it's going to go to the abyss. Right, to the abyss. Holo's back to the highs, guys. Hi again, Jeff. Smash a like for. Thank you very much, Jeff. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No dips today, Bruce. Yeah, no. If somehow you got into Berkshire Hathaway on that dip, they're canceling everything. So they're canceling it all. Canceling. There you go. Too much winning, Meg. Anyways, 194, guys. Ooh, Holo's at the highs of the day. Ooh, can we get a Holo? You guys came into the yeah, finally broke out. Finally. If you're planning on holding Holo into after hours, type in yes in the chat. If you're planning on holding Holo into after hours, type in yes in the chat. Holo. Super slow though, isn't it? Like super slow, super slow. I wish Holo had more, violence. Jeff says, "Hell yes." A stop loss does not work in after hours, so that's yes. I'm not. So that's something you have to think about. Like, so if you're scared of after hours, guys, nothing wrong with it. Erica says, I guess. If you're scared of after hours, take half your initial, like take your half of your gains, sell half of your position, and then go in with less stress, right? Take half of your gains, go in with less stress if you're worried about it. Also, or just again, like so, um, when we talk about like overnight, after hours is different from overnight. Keep that in mind, right? So, so that's why you will never really hear me talk about like hold overnight unless like there's good performance after hours. You know what I mean? So if you're planning on holding something after hours, it has to like overnight. It has to perform after hours. So if I'm holding Holo and Holo is like, okay, 196, 197 after hours, $2 after hours, that's an easy hold overnight, right? But if I'm holding Holo and after hours, it's like 190, 185, I'm like, thanks, but no thanks. You know what I mean? So whenever you guys ask, like, is this okay to hold overnight? We have 3 hours, 4 hours after hours to watch the stocks perform, right? So it has to perform for you to hold into overnight. There goes 196, guys. Slow and steady. Musty's waiting for 220. Criminal. Oh, looks like SPY popped again. Damn it. I should have got that dip on SPY. ES long. This is all Musty's fault. Then Boomskis? I hope so. But made enough money to take some risk on Holo. There you go, Mustafa. Yeah. It can be like that. I'm so green on Holo that I'm like, you know what? Like, I'm just going to hold it overnight. Like, whatever. Right? So if you bought Holo like in the 140s, 150s, you're in a better position than people buying at this price and holding overnight, right? Jeff, hopefully. No. Unless it would be nice if the company just said, you know what, drop some news right now. Drop some news right now. That would be good. Uh, minus $33, $3,500 in minutes. Whew. No, 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 no. Nasty drop. Yeah, profit taking. Honestly, that thing went to resistance. Right? Should anybody be buying this thing at this price? No, you shouldn't. Right? Maybe you should be looking for Dipski though to 45, 44 cents. Right? Again, you have a nice little demand zone. This is where we broke out. We know when we break out, we come back for the retest anyways. Right? You should not be buying that thing at resistance. There's clearly supply up there. Red. So when you see red on fresh, you don't jump in, please. Otherwise, you just end up crying. Fresca, Fresca, Fresno, Fresno, California, California. A private chat. Anyways, back to Holo. Holo looking good. What else looks really good, guys? MLGO. That's the third time, right? 200 bounce. CM, are you still in this one? Did you get in this time, Ken? Did you get back in, Ken? That was a nice little off the bottom demand zone bounce. You didn't? Okay. That's okay. Let me take a look. Let's take a look. Ski. It looks like SOBR is done, isn't it? SDWO. Oh, I see. Huh? Hmm. Let me look at the daily. Some. On Holo, yeah. Holo's fighting though. Holo wants violence. That's a solid close on Holo here. 196. High 197. Ooh. Ooh. I have my you have 1300 shares of Holo? 230? Okay, so you kind of need to get back to break even then. Maybe tomorrow? Maybe. Hopefully you get set free, you know? Hopefully. And stop below the 200 cm. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I think you've made some nice monies on there that you're willing to set that stop loss honestly anywhere, you know. Um, Trey, I almost think it will. But again, there's nothing wrong with securing some profits honestly, um, and then and then holding some after hours or just watching it really closely. The good thing about Holo though is that Holo is not one of like the crazy pump and dumps, right? Like Holo is not going to go from at like $2 to $1.15 after hours in 2 seconds unless the company has news, which is good, right? Because then you can slowly watch it after hours, and if it's not performing, you just take your money and move on. No, 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 no. MP, a whole bunch of stuff. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots. Um, Sign up for Legend community, Discord community, or Goats. Come join us in Discord. Also, if you want to join Discord, it tells you the different levels and what it offers. So come join us. Come and join us. Come and join us. Uh, page one. Okay. Holo. Holo. Yeah, I saw that earlier actually. Holo. I need to delete a whole bunch of stuff on stream here. Way too many. Way too many. There goes 197. Holo. For those of you guys that are not members, here's another little quick screenshot of everybody's spamming Holo in Discord. Holo, Musty's been spamming. Not sure why Musty's not in the screenshot, but your boy's been spamming. Spamming. There's 8 minutes left for Holo, so Holo better close strong here. Wouldn't it be nice if Holo just pushed above like above $2? Wouldn't that be nice if Holo just closed strong above $2? That'd be nice, right? I don't know if that's gonna happen though. Anyways, so come join us in Discord. Pump into the close key. You're calling it chaos? I hope so. I hope so. Uh, oh, that's okay. That's it. $2.30. Cookbook, cooking outside of the kitchen. Let's go, William. Cooking outside of the kitchen. I like it. Yeah, Pan. It's gonna be like that. All like a round number like that. A whole bunch of people are gonna be selling. Right? People are gonna be selling at 198, 199, $2. Especially at the end of the day, people are gonna be securing profits. Right? Hopefully, we can brave that and then push back up. Mara, yeah. Let's go, CM. Look at MLGO, guys. Look at this beauty. Come on, CM. Give me a high five. My goodness. Let's cook, my Canadian brother. Come on, CM, my Canadian brother, give me a high five. When I tell you that this man is cooked MLGO today, I mean he's cooked it. Cooked. Well done. Again, every time this thing went to the 200, he bought it and then sold it and then bought it. If you did that, I mean, you do that a few times, look at that beautiful white line. This is why we love using moving averages because nobody would have told you that MLGO would be bouncing off the 200 today. Not a single person would tell you that, right? But that's the beauty of technical analysis because you look at this and you're like, huh, how come this stock is bouncing off the 200? Once, twice? Huh, maybe the next time we get here, I need to take it. I need to take it. And then boom, skis, right? Again, it's not anything that you can predict like in advance. And on a different stock, you might be looking at the 9 EMA or the 20 or the 50 or the 100. But that's technical analysis, right? Just looking at the chart and saying, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's the 200? The 200 is just, again, moving average. For 2 days, missed 80%, 800% runner. That's why you joined. Place, let's go, Jeff. Let's go. There goes 11.60, guys. $11.60. 650%. Isn't that fire? Holo still looking good. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Cool, cool. Holo CCM is looking really good, guys. Let's go, Nota. Well done. So again, we're clearly missing CCM in Discord. MLGO looks like fire still. Let me take a look at CCM. CCM is getting spammed in Discord by the bot this time. Well, I mean, we might have missed it though. When was the last spam on that thing? Okay, yeah, 50, 50. Yeah, so a few minutes ago. That was a good breakout though. That was a really good breakout. So we talked about the breakouts, right? Play the breakout. Play the breakout. There you go. So that was a good breakout. You guys notice why we love these breakouts? Love breakouts, guys. Look at that breakout right there. Break and close, right? Don't play with the scams. Don't pretend like breakout and close. Like, look at that. Are you seeing that, Ken? We talked about that, right? So break and close, Ken, right there. What happens? Boom skis. Let's go back to Holo. Holo's at 199. Oh, $2. $2 make you holla. Mara, $2 make you holla. Come on, Holo. Break that $2 into the close. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Wait. Did you just make 890% on those calls? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. A member just made $10,000. Virus, you might want to look into these ones. You might want to look into these ones. They seem like fun to play. Options. Uh, options. So the S just Dow SDOW. That might be something fun for you to play with. Actually, that might be fun. What options? Yeah, there goes Holo, guys. $2. Yeah, member just made $10,000 in a few minutes on and they sent me a screenshot. That's fire. Uh, Oof, that's impressive. Yeah, virus. Holo, $2. We have less than a minute to go, guys. 40 seconds. Are we gonna close above $2 or just $2? And then break above after hours? Come on, you can do it. I like that bid. There's a nice bid there. There's a nice bid. Come on. They're gonna close it below $2. Of course they are. Of course they are. They're like, you shall not close above. So there's 10 seconds left. Yeah, virus. Yeah, play with that. Yeah, it looks like we might actually push. No, the market just closed. We closed at 199. Unless my stuff is glitched. I can see the ask is higher than $2, so I don't know if we actually closed above $2 or we just closed $2 close. That's what it says. Okay. Yeah, sometimes my trading view takes a few seconds to update at the end of the day. Tomorrow, yeah, 199. Yeah, 199 for me too. Uh, Sheesh. There goes Holo. Holo make you holla. New highs of the day. Yeah. Holo's cooking. Yeah, Holo's done really well. Done really well. JYD cook. Maybe all these China scams are gonna pump now. Holo's one of them. So maybe it's time. Yeah, JYD is yeah. Holo's like it's easy to move Holo after hours because it's after hours. Like look at this. Holo's moved more in a minute after hours than it did for like hours all day today. Right? It's just easy to move. It's easier to move stocks after hours. Yeah, JYD had a nice pop. China, China, China. Look at Holo go, guys. Look at Holo go. Holo's pumped more after hours. Oh my goodness, Holo. Ooh, foo, foo, foo. Holo's had more of a run after hours than we did than we did all day today. My goodness. Look at that thing. Wow. Why does it move more after hours? Because again, so the less blocks, there's less resistance, there's less manipulation, there's less of all the other stuff. Yeah. Less. Less of all the rubbish. Send it. 219. Yeah, there goes Holo 215. So not bad at all. That's a good day for CCM. Yeah. Anyways, a few names running after hours, guys. So MG. If I can pull up the right ticker symbol. MGRX. So 3 minutes ago, they actually had news, right? They received the patent, so this one has a valid reason to be moving. Have I heard of Verb? Yeah, Verb has been yeah a lot. Hello, hello. Uh, yeah. Anyways, back to Holo. 113. Honestly, Holo just closing above. Yeah, filing S1 filed. Okay. Maybe they're ready to do something special. Verb. But if Holo can just open above $2 tomorrow, I think that's a huge win, right? or just stay above $2 like the entire after hours. That's a huge win. So we will obviously be keeping a close eye on this. We will be keeping a close eye on Holo. Alrighty, and just watching above $2. Like it just has to stay above $2. Nothing special. Cool. Okay, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Let's get to 100. Deal, deal. Let's get to 100. Cool, cool. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. I like opening at $5. Yeah, yup. Holo is dipping back to 207 again. Not a big deal. MLGO, if you're holding this thing overnight, it's a little bit dangerous on a stock that's up 700%. Be very careful, right? CCM, obviously, we talked about this one a bit. Oh my, no way. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my goodness. Oh my, CCM is not stopping, guys. That thing is exploding. It's not even stopping. It's just going. Oh my goodness. 150%, 195%, 220%, 250%. Oh my goodness. Damn. Wow. Isn't CCM a hockey skate? I have no idea. No idea. Oh my goodness. Sheesh, that thing cooked. That thing cooked. That thing cooked. That thing cooked. When did the bot spam CCM? Or all day today, Dennis? You want to see when the bot started spamming CCM, guys? You want to see it? When we tell you guys to join Discord, you want to see it? Let me show you. I'm not gonna go to the very top because CCM has been in Discord all day today, like literally all day today, right? I'm just gonna show you one of the spams, right? I'm just gonna show you one of the spams. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out big time. Right, it's loading. I'm just gonna show you the time and then show you where the stock was at. So CCM, right? 15, 27. You guys want to see when that thing was? Right, 1527. You want to see it? Okay. This is when it was. That's just the one alert because it was spamming a lot earlier today because we've been talking about CCM all day today, right? You can see all the arrows on CCM. Like this is not just a random stock. So let me take a look at what is it? 1527. You want to see 1527, guys? 1527 is right here. This is it. That's your alert. $1.30. That's your alert. On the breakout, look at that. Resistance, resistance. This is your entry on the breakout, right? That's your entry right there. A dollar 30. Again, that wasn't even the first one. A dollar 30. A dollar 30 to $6 after hours. And I'm still scrolling up. So again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. If you're not a legend member yet, um, you're gonna be missing out, right? Once. So Roy, madness, madness. I'm telling you, madness. Whew. 27. Okay. Let me go back down. 1 second. Do, do, do. 7 CCM hit $7. Isn't that crazy? My goodness, that's impressive. Good job as always. Thank you very much, Jeff. See you in Discord. See you in Discord. Hockey skates. He must have posted something. This is a distraction to Holo. Ah, woo, that thing cooked. Congratulations for $7.26. That's impressive. Yeah, JYD is cooking now too. JYD cooking, cooking. Uh, cooking. My goodness. Okay, I need to clean up some of these channels, I think. There you go. Holo's looking good. Let me look at Holo. Holo, we were distracted from Holo, guys. Look at our MLGO. MLGO is selling off. Surprise, right? Sometimes don't hold stuff that's had crazy runs overnight. 700% is a lot overnight. Yeah, Z card. There's so many names. Honestly, so many names. So many names. So many names. Yeah, CCM. Let's go back. CCM is pumping again, guys. Whew. Can you imagine FOMOing at? My goodness. Is very organic, Gary. These days, especially on this stream, yeah, 700% is like it's a normal thing. Chaos again. I keep telling you to join Discord, and you don't want to. I don't know how many times, how much crushing we need to do for you to join Discord. So when you're out this weekend at McDonald's and you're spending the price of a Discord membership, just remember that you could have invested in yourself, but you decided not to. How do people even find this, Keith? You just have to join us in Discord, right? Just join us in Discord, and it's gonna be right there in your face. In your face. La na 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 na. There you go. Is there proof that this Discord worked? You're very new to this, Keith. Um, let's see. Well, CCM is one example, right? You're looking at a stock that was getting spammed in Discord at 1527. Look at the time when that thing got posted. and also look at where the stock is at now. So that's a really good example, right? Let's look at another one. So let's look at Envos. No, let's look at this one, right? So MLGO, right? You're looking at a stock that was getting spammed in Discord at earlier this morning, at $2, right? That obviously went to $14, and the list just goes on and on and on and on. Yeah, and you're looking at Holo. I'm not sure. So you're looking at Holo, Holo that's been getting spammed, and Holo obviously is done well, right? Look at Holo go. Holo's at 217 now, right? There goes Holo, 218 Holo. So 219 Holo, 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 Holo. Holo is squeezing. When Lambo, let's go to the Lambo dealership because we're gonna need to buy some Lambos. Holo, holo, holo. Then for sure you need to join. Holo's at 220. Holo, holo, holo. Is a tip of the let's go. Holo 222. Holo, holo, holo's up 12% after hours. Everybody was spamming Holo in Discord today. 180, 150, 160, 175. Holo, holo, holo. You're missing out. Are you ready? Let's go. Musty's been asking all day today. Are you ready for Holo to squeeze? Are you ready for Holo to squeeze? Holo's sending it, right? All day today, Musty's been asking. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for Holo to pump? Holo, holo, holo. If you're holding Holo, type in yes in the chat. Let's go, Steve. If you're holding a Holo, type in yes in the chat. Holo's at the highs of the day. Again, really good close, really good breakout after hours. As long as it continues to perform, we keep holding it, right? Easy peasy. Look at that. The entire chat. Erica's like, yes, Erica. Pan, yes, Pan. So again, pay yourself on the way up if you have to. I know you guys are looking for $100, $15. Pay yourself on the way up, or at least again as it goes up, make sure you have a minimum take profit level, right? If you bought this thing at 150 earlier today and was sitting at 225, maybe your minimum take profit is 190, below $2, right? $2, whatever you want. Let's go, Erica. Erica says, I'm finally in. Let's go, Erica. I'm finally in. Finally in. Finally in. Finally in. Let's go. Rest is running, Kyle. Love it. That's a perfect strategy, right? Kyle took out his initial investment, and the rest is house money. If that thing goes to $100, Kyle is like, oh well, let's go. Oh my cash. Oh my cash. A bit, and have been right for the most part, Keith. Yeah, I mean, I think for the most part, that we pride ourselves on education and not pumping stuff or not, So education, you get the education, the rest will come. The monies will come, right? So come for the education, stay for the monies. Yeah, yeah. There goes Holo. 127, 227 at the highest. Let me not scare you. Ready? Oh my goodness, Keith, you signed up for the wrong level. Again, the level that says sold out, guys, please don't sign up for that level. Sign up for legend, please. Become a legend. Keith, just go back to the same link and upgrade. It's gonna let you upgrade. You sign up for the wrong level. The sold out level doesn't give you access to Discord. Just go back. It's okay. Just go back to the same link. It will let you change. It's only gonna charge you the difference. Watching all these stocks run without getting in on a. You have been, Gail. I know, Dennis. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 227. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Nah, nah, nah. One second. Uh, L Martinez, just go to Stock General. Go to Stock General. That's where all these things are posted. Stock General. Holo, holo, holo. New highs of the day, guys. Holo, holo, holo. Holo, holo, holo. Holo is live, guys. I like that gif. I keep spamming that gif. Holo. Next week, I'm doing my own experiments and only trading the bot alerts as long as you play it properly, though. How do you join Discord, Sliz? Click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbot. So if you want to join us in Discord, guys, click the link from Nightbots at the bottom. Sign up for the right level. Sign up for Legend. Click this link. Sign up for Legend. These next few days, Yogi, absolutely. Now we go. The waves are in our favor. The waves are in our favor now. Holo, holo, holo. Send it, holo. Keith, is it working? Just same link and then just upgrade. Same link. Yeah, L Martinez, just go to Stock General. All the information is being posted there. Madness is right. There you go. Uh, here you go. Okay, perfect. For every within the next 5 minutes, Blaze will have to say you joined up at the. I know, Yogi. I know, right? Yep, someone's gonna do it. People just sign up for the sold out levels. I wish. I don't think it's anybody's fault. I wish YouTube would like do better though. Like you should be able to close out levels. Like that just seems like common sense. Like you should be able to close out levels. Right? Mon says made another decent size entry on Holo 189. Let's go, Mon. Come on, give me a high five. Give me a high five, guys. I wish I could do it on my own, but I can't. I don't manage and like I cannot cancel your membership. I cannot refund your membership. You just have to whenever you need to do that, you just have to message YouTube or whatever else you do. So I have no control over that stuff. Yeah, CCM dipskis, and we're just waiting for Holo to pump again. Let's go, Gary. Let's go. It's been a good week. It's been a really good start. I told you guys last week. Like last week was rubbish. Not rubbish. We still made money, but like last week, with the short week, I hate that. We're back to regular price action, right? So we send it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Come on. Did I say $1.30? 2.30. Troy. 2.30. Exactly, Gary. Exactly. Chaos. I love chaos. Love chaos. So it looks like Holo pushed all the way to 230 and then backing off a little bit. It stopped. Yeah, some profit taking. Potentially just retesting a breakout, right? So watch 215 for potential base, right? 215 for potential base. 215. Uh, Sheesh. A lot of these China plays are doing really well, though. I'm only talking again. We're talking about a few, but a lot of these China players are doing really well. JYD is doing really well too, which is nice. MLGO, that thing is getting entered. But anyways, 830 bounce. CCM looks interesting. MGRX, maybe tomorrow we can break above 50 cents and pump it. since came back down. So must be not enough volume there yet. But JYD looks good. So a triple top at $1, right? Again, not the greatest when it comes to volume, but China's having a good night. JL is one. Hopefully, yeah, China's doing well. To wait all day or days to sell. Yeah, agreed. DDD is pumping now too. Yeah, DDD with a nice pop. DDD with a nice pop. Anyways, Holo, yeah, Holo is really retesting. Holo's like, hey guys, my monies are leaving. Anyways, like I said, if Holo can just stay above $2 to tomorrow, I don't mind that either, right? But profit taking for sure. Looks like we came back to retest this little white line we have here, 210, and then back up. DDD with the pop. Holo, nice little scalpy stuff for sure. Uh, nice little pops. As low anything can happen for sure. It's a little bit bigger than most people think though because they've been raising money behind the scenes. Um, so it's a little bit bigger, but I think that's why Holo was really slow all day today because it's bigger than people think it actually is. Yeah, at 50 million MTC eventually to FOMO YOLO. Exactly, Jason. Exactly. Don't end up holding a bag on Holo. Right? Don't end up holding a bag on Holo because the bags are not the same. A lot of you guys are in a 140, 150, 160, 170. So Holo at this price, you're nice and green still. Yeah, exactly, Gary. So let's see what happens going into the rest of after hours here. Alrighty, y'all. Let's do 15 more minutes, just because, right? Just because, and then let's call it a day and go back to Discord. Alrighty, again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Actually, well, if we can get to 100 likes in the next 5 minutes, we can stay for 15 more minutes. Deal? Deal? Yeah, actually, the next 3 minutes. If not, I can go have some a smoothie or something. Anyways, yeah. So if we can get to 100 likes in the next 3 minutes, then we can stay for a little bit longer. If not, we can just hop off and go back to Discord. Same. Doesn't make a difference. No difference to us. We will still JYD just broke out. Looks like, well, I mean, it's not really closing yet, but it popped above $1. It's trying to, isn't it? It's a China night. It's a China night. Mm, Cindy, well done. Congratulations. There goes JYD. New highs of the day. He's loving it. You about to join? Okay, I'll wait for you to join. Let's go. Thank you, Gary. Smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Well, okay. I'm having some bread with honey. Some bread and honey. Yeah. So, la, 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 la. Don't leave yet. I'm about to join. My name is Sean. Sean, come join us. We're waiting for you. We're gonna take you with us. We're taking you home to Discord. Okay. Come on, 10 more people smash a like, guys. No more slacking. 10 more people smash it. Just 10. 10. Anyways, yeah, so if you want to join, just click the link at the bottom there. There goes $1.10 for JYD. JYD. Holo is at 208 now. So hopefully we can stay above $2 at least. But some of that volume is creeping over to JYD. Sounds delicious. Yes. Anyways, TC, Sean, welcome to the community. Sean is a legend, guys. Immediately, a legend. Sean, welcome to the community. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, you're in Legends. Let's go, Sean. Welcome. So all you have to do, Sean, is click this link I'm about to send you. Well, not all you have to do, but click this link I'm sending you at the bottom of the chat. Follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. If you're not sure what to do, just watch that video at the very bottom. It's gonna explain how to connect. Alrighty. If it says the invalid link, invalid whatever, whatever, just copy that link, post it in a different browser. Sometimes it needs a different browser for it to work. Alrighty, but that link should work. Should be honey and peanut butter. I do like peanut butter. Why is Holo dropping? Yeah, there's some profit taking going on here for Holo. Mm-mm. Oh, wait. Why is Holo dropping like that though? Why is Holo dropping like that? Uh, let's see here. Is that for JYD or is that for Holo? Hmm. hmm. Um, that's out of nowhere. Notification. It's no notification. Allow. Mm. I'm gonna show you this later. Yeah, I don't see why it's dropping like that though. That casino, yo, look at that thing. How the hell is that dropping like that? We actually just dropped to 155. That's so stupid. That is very silly, isn't it? Uh, I bet you what's happening though. Oh yeah, that's why. Yeah, it's because Holo's raising money. It's because Holo's raising money. They just dropped an offering. Holo's like, thank you guys, we're gonna take advantage of this. Yeah, offering city, exactly, Gary. The stock seems to be bouncing back up though, so I bet you what happens is we wake up tomorrow and this thing is back up. It's back up fighting. We just went from 155 to 180, so people seem to be buying the dipskis on this. So this is why again, like anytime you hold a stock after hours overnight, it's a gamble. That is going to get eat up. Yeah, like it people seem to be buying the dipskis on Holo. But again, so every time you hold something overnight after hours, you're taking a gamble because you don't have a stop loss and you're hoping the company doesn't drop news. Right? You bought a few more at 160. There you go. So again, always consider taking some profits into the close, whether you're securing like Kyle did, right? Secure some monies after hours if you want. If you're scared of after hours, secure your gains. Some nice gains can come after hours, but there's always a lot of risk that comes with after hour plays. And nobody can tell you, like nobody can predict that Holo is gonna drop an offering, right? Because the company seems to have a lot of cash on hand, but for some reason they're still like, yeah. So Holo's like 300 million is a lot. 300 million is a lot. So uh exactly, Gary. There you go. So let's see how well this thing consolidates after hours and then go from there. You bought the Dipski's chaos. Okay, yeah. For some people, this was an opportunity. For some people, this is an opportunity. You don't know what you're doing, TC? Is it not working? Just click the link and follow the steps. If it's not working, the only channel you have access to, just watch the video. It's going to show you. Already to a discount bin. Yeah, Kyle. Okay, yes, 215. I like it. It really is. It really is. That is huge. These guys basically killed the vibe for a second there, right? Like, so what Yogi's mentioning is the company itself is valued at 11 billion, right? 12 billion, right? So the damn company is valued at 12 billion dollars. And then now these idiots want to go raise 300 million, right? That's a lot. That's a lot. A lot. That's a lot to take on, isn't it? So. That might be good for them though in the long run. They might have a lot of cash, but in the short term, like offerings are always a little bit negative. In the short term, negative. Long run, it might be good for them, for the company itself, right? Because now they have a whole bunch of cash. You know what I mean? So, I mean, people do seem to be buying the dipskis on Holo. Yeah. Everything I ever hear about Holo is that it was a scam. Yep. On the back of exactly, Gary. Just like AMC. Just like AMC. Just like AMC. Yeah, it does seem to be holding the view up though, so hopefully it stays above it. MLGO, nothing, consolidating. CCM, losing a lot of those gains. JYD is still kind of below a dollar. So let's hang for a few more minutes and then call it a day. 7 more minutes, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord. Exactly, Steve. Exactly. As the generated cook, yeah, maybe they really are a scam. Mm, holo, make you holo. Mm, exactly, Gary. A lot of these companies they take advantage of people. Mm, damn, how did you go from yeah, we're back to 190 already, guys. Look at that. Who's buying the dipskis on Holo? Yeah, exactly, chaos. That's a pretty good comeback though. Crazy move down. The DNA, the company did an offering. They're raising 300 million. So 300 million. Obviously, that's not a good thing. But again, the dip seems to be getting bought up. 155. We're already back to 190 here. 188. Steve says, "Thank you for the yummy discounts for the dipskis." Like the good thing about this though is again, like it went to a level that we know of, like a nice support level, and then it bounced back to basically where we were at into the close. That's a good thing. Like Holo's done 4%. That's not too bad. We're back to 190, right? That's not horrible. If any other company raises 300 million, that thing would be down 30%, 50%. So Holo bounced back pretty aggressively. Let's see if we can maintain this into tomorrow though. That's another story. I think Holo's bouncing too because it already had the attention on it, and then the stock was down. Like the stock went from $100 to $1.50. Like this stock has been destroyed. So if that wasn't the case, Holo would have been slapped. Sean, you're good to go. Welcome to the community. Yeah, you're good to go. Just take a look around, Sean. Take a look at all the channels. There's some videos that you need to watch, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff that you need to go through. Just take your time, honestly, and go through that stuff. Alrighty, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, so that's the good thing. So Holo has 3 years to sell 300 million for of the new shares, so they can drop offering at any time if it exactly, exactly. So, um, yeah, TC, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. If you have any questions, Sean, just ask in Stock General. Alrighty? Just ask in Stock General. You got out, Erica? Erica's like, heck no. Oh my days. Erica, we were looking so good. The enemies just had to come, you know? But, so, yep. Yeah, it's fighting the 200 right there. That little white line. 191, Troy. 4 more minutes, guys, and then we're going to hop off and go continue in Discord, so I can actually get some food. You know, again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, I would really appreciate that. 5 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100 likes. Alrighty. So again, we're gonna be here for 4 more minutes. If you're not a member yet, come join us in Discord. Right, click the link at the bottom of the chat. Again, there's resistance up there now, 191. Like Troy mentioned, the 200. Rich. Do you think it will go to $80 again, DNA? No, probably not. Um, I mean, you never want to say never, but never is the right answer. Never is the right answer. So, especially when they start doing stuff like this, yeah, I think people look around and say, hmm, hmm, hmm. Are you allowed to eat on stream? I don't like eating on stream because I'm not like I don't eat very well, like, or very fast. So like, yeah, the only thing I've had today is yeah, like this little my tea obviously, and like my honey toast. Other than that, like, I hate eating on stream because I'm gonna eat like one piece of cookie for like an hour. Um, since it's popping, since maybe it's time, Musty. 7, yeah. Same price action though. Up, down, up, down. Time will tell, Gary. Time will tell. Exactly. Uh, it does really, Christian. Fasting does. Okay, good. Cause I yep, good. Have a wonderful night, Steve. Sushi time for you. Let's go. Enjoy. Bon appetit, Steve. Have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. Oh yeah, you have no idea. No idea, Dennis. Yeah, I'm horrible at eating fast. So horrible. Hopefully, Holo can find a way to stay above this range, though. Yeah, ASNS had some news list. The news is posted in Discord. Then when it really squeezes, Rich, yeah, yeah, and I think that's one of the reasons too that it's bouncing like that is that again they're doing it in the future, right? So they're not raising 300 million right now. They're probably going to do, like, offerings as time go as time goes on. So they might sell like 5 million at some point. They might sell 10 million at some point. Um, you know, because I promise you, no one's taking on 300 million from these guys. Let's go. Roasting is a part of the fun, Gary. Part of the fun. ASNS, sure, sure. It looks good. Again, it's up 99% ASNS, right? So the news has been posted in Discord a few times. It's been spammed in Discord a few times. Yee's been spamming this in Discord. Greg has been spamming this in Discord, right? So, um, yep, it's done really well. Really, really, really well. So. really, really well. Is about to pop. Yeah, you think so? I hope so. We're gonna keep watching ASNS as well. So and then Holo needs to find his way back to above $1.90 if it wants to do anything. We haven't had a good row since Send It. Yeah, Send It. Hmm, interesting. Uh, in pleasure. Exactly. 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 Let's see. ASNS. Slow and steady. Okay. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Any last questions? Any last questions? Let me know, and then we can hop off. Any last questions? Let me know. 185 Holo. You better bounce. Otherwise, we're coming for blood tomorrow. La 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 la. Yup, exactly, Troy. Exactly. Uh, la la la. DNA, come join us in Discord. So if you do become a member, guys, if you do become a member when the stream is done, make sure you sign up for the right level. Discord community legend, all goats. If you do become a member, again, that's the link at the bottom. Just send me an email. Email hottradex@gmail, and I will send you an invite. Be safe, Gary. Much love. See you in Discord. Alrighty. So we're gonna leave it here for the day, though. KKK, KKK. Um, and catch you guys on catch. Well, we're gonna be in Discord. Um, Thank you all very much for the support. Really appreciate it. Alrighty. Be safe. Much love. Bye, guys. Bye, Gary. Good night, TK. Yi, and what? And Thrust. Catalyst, have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. Troy, go to bed, please. Please and thank you. Veronica, have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. Pyro, let's go. Don't blow anything up, please. Just levels, please. Christian, ciao, ciao. Have a wonderful evening, Christian. See you tomorrow. See you in Discord. Yeah. TC, welcome to the community. Erica, good scalpy on this one, by the way. Good job. Alrighty. Whether we, they did some fishy things. It is what it is. Right. So let's see what tomorrow has in store. And CCM looks like it's popping again off after consolidating at $4. So that's a nice little bounce there for this one. Resistance at 530 ish. But yeah, CCM chaos. Okay, bye guys.